Hello, I am about to install these CoLight pod lights on this 5th gen 4Runner. What's really cool about CoLight's website is they actually provide and have brackets for you to use. What's in the box? Ooh, energy saving down 50%. Interesting. Service life up 100% and improved brightness 300%. Some stickers. CoLight. Nice couple of stickers actually. Flip this over. Ooh, those look nice. Very heavy, sturdy feeling. They look pretty cool so far. Harness, lighting harness or wiring harness. 2 lights with covers. I like that they came with the covers. Sweet. So they're gonna go into this switch panel here and be mounted right there. And this is what the brackets look like. It actually comes with some hardware, which is always a pro. What these lights look like, eh? Hallelujah. That's satisfying. Wow. Light looks really good quality, to be completely honest with you. The heat sinks look nice. It's heavy. It's strong looking. This is the mounting brackets that come with it. Perfect. The first thing I'm going to do is actually mark where these were previously. So, sorry, it's been out of focus. So when we put these back, I have an idea. So these mounts are side specific, so this one cannot go to the other side. All it's gonna do is go into these existing bolt locations. Even though they've provided hardware, I'm just gonna use the hardware that I have because I know it's nice and it works and it's Toyota's. So all it's gonna do is go here and look like this on the outside. That's it, super easy. Just to show you how I'm doing it without help is I unbolted this one first. I installed this and I haven't tightened this fully. Now I'm going to unbolt this and then put this one in, so I don't need 2 people to do this. Super easy. Show you the bracket installed. Again, just in these 2 bolts, and this is what it looks like. This is facing towards the outside, and that's where my ditch light's gonna be mounted. Are the 2 brackets mounted? There's number 1, there's number 2. Now I'm going to put the lights on there and wire them. The bracket mounted, the light is just going to go in the bracket and screw on the side right there. Huzzah, looks awesome. I'm just gonna now wire this, and I'll show you how I wire this. I'm gonna mount the other one and then I'm gonna wire. Here's the wiring harness that this comes with. Pretty standard, but you'll notice it comes with a switch and it also comes with a relay. Now, because I already have a switch panel here, which CoLight does sell as well, by the way, but I already have one, I'm going to cut off this switch. I'm going to cut off this relay. And then all I'm going to do with the negative and positives is wire them into the switch box, to my switch panel, and then one end plugs into the right side, the other end plugs into the left side, and it will go right here into the switch panel, which is awesome and easy. I've got both lights hooked up and they're wired into the box that I showed you guys, the switch panel. Now I'm gonna turn them on and see how they look. First impressions, pretty bright, to be honest. Very, very bright. And they look really good. Like, some of the premium brands look exactly like this. So these are very inexpensive, and very easy to install. They feel just like the quality that I'm used to, which is pretty good quality, and they look great. It is now nighttime, and it's time to see how well these ditch lights perform. Whoa, very bright beam, very, very bright beam on both sides. And spotlight effect as well as flood effect. So you can see quite a lot in the ditch area, and that's very, very useful for my purpose. I mean, on my right is a ditch and I can see it perfectly fine. I'm not holding my phone, by the way, but anyways, this is really, really bright. And for this quality, the price, I think, is the big deciding factor, because what you're getting really is very inexpensive, but really good quality. So even if the brightness wasn't as good as it is, I would still be happy. Anyways, I recommend CoLight. It's good. Just showing you how bright these lights are. That's a coyote. And I can see it very well because of my new ditch lights.